In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 11 compatibility mode. If an app is acting strangely on Windows 11, maybe it looks blurry, runs slowly, or opens with older Windows behavior, there's a good chance it's being forced to run in compatibility mode. Turning that off and letting Windows 11 handle the app natively often clears up those issues. I'll walk you through exactly how to do that, and then show you how to launch Windows built-in Troubleshooter for a quick health check. Start by finding the app or its shortcut. This could be on your desktop in the Start menu or pinned to the taskbar. Right-click it and choose Properties. This opens a window with several tabs along the top. Click the Compatibility tab. Here's where Windows can mimic older versions for apps that need them. If the option labeled Run this program in Compatibility Mode 4 is checked, that means the app has been forced into an older mode. Uncheck that box to disable Compatibility Mode. This tells Windows 11 to run the app with its native, modern settings, which is ideal for most current software. Now click Apply to save the change, and then click OK to close the window. Those changes will take effect the next time you launch the app. Next, it's smart to let Windows quickly scan for potential issues. Right-click the same app again and open Properties one more time. Go back to the Compatibility tab, and this time click Run Compatibility Troubleshooter. This tool looks for known problems and suggests adjustments automatically. It won't change anything until you respond to its on-screen prompts, and it's designed to be safe and reversible. Running it after you've disabled compatibility mode helps confirm that no legacy settings are still getting in the way. If the troubleshooter flags something, it can recommend a cleaner, more targeted fix than the blanket compatibility mode setting you just turned off. A few tips as you do this. If the compatibility checkbox was already off, that's actually good news. It means the app wasn't being forced into an older mode. Running the troubleshooter afterward is still worthwhile to catch any misconfigurations. If you're working with a shortcut, remember you're adjusting how that shortcut launches the app. You can repeat the same steps on the app's main executable if needed. And if you ever need to revert, you can return to the same Compatibility tab and restore the original setting. That's it. By disabling compatibility mode and running the troubleshooter, you give Windows 11 the best chance to run your app smoothly and as intended.